From breakout stars to seasoned professionals, some players have already made waves at their new clubs. Today we're diving into the top 10 signing of the January transfer window 2025. We're breaking down what made each transfer significant, not just the headlines, but the tactics, the backstory, and the long-term potential. Let's count them down. Starting off our list at number 10 is Mika Biereth, who made the switch to AS Monaco. While he may not be a household name yet, this 21-year-old Danish striker has been turning heads with his intelligent positioning and work ethic. Monaco saw an opportunity and swooped in. Biereth's mobility and pressing fit perfectly. This move isn't just about potential, it's about results. Next up at number 9 we have Omar Siddique joining Brighton coming from the Belgian Pro League. Siddique was somewhat under the radar, but Brighton's scouting department once again pulled a rabbit out of the hat. The Nigerian forward brings raw pace, sharp dribbling and a knack for finding space between defenders. Keep an eye on him. This could be another chance of Brighton's masterclasses in talent development. At number 8, it's Antony making a temporary move to Real Betis from Manchester United after a tumultuous time in the Premier League, plagued by inconsistency and off-field distractions. This loan spell is a fresh chapter. Antony a free role on the right, where his flair and creativity can shine without the same security. He is having a couple of solid performances. This move is about rebuilding confidence and reminding fans why United paid big money for him in the first place. At number 7, Austrian defender Kevin Danso has joined Tottenham Hotspur on loan from RC Lens. With Spurs dealing with injuries to key players, Danso's arrival couldn't have come at a better time. Known for his strength, agile ability and tactical discipline, his calmness under pressure and ability to play out from the back, this might start as a loan but it could become a permanent move if he continues performing at this level. Coming in at number 6 is Marco Asensio, who has made a surprising loan move to Aston Villa from Paris Saint-Germain. After finding minutes hard to come by in a star-studded Paris squad, his experience, versatility and vision have had added new layers to Villa's attack. Whether deployed centrally or out wide, Asensio's technical quality has already resulted in goals and assists. Asensio is pushing Villa into the top 4 in Premier League. At number 5, another PSG departure, this time Kolo Muani to Juventus. After struggling to establish himself in Paris Saint-Germain, Muani has taken Serie A by storm. He's responded with energy, sharp movement and an eye for goal. His ability to stretch defenses has opened up spaces for his teammates and he's been involved in some crucial match-winning moments already. Number 4 is one of the blockbuster moves of the window. Kvicha Kvaratskhelia joining Paris Saint-Germain from Napoli. The Georgian winger has adapted swiftly to life in Paris. Kvaratskhelia is the new face of PSG's attack. He's already impressed in both domestic and European fixtures. Kvaratskhelia is a cornerstone in PSG's attacking dominance. At number 3, Marcus Rashford to Aston Villa raised eyebrows, but it's already proving a smart move for all parties. Struggling for form and confidence at United, Rashford had found a new life in Aston Villa. Runner-up at number 2 is Omar Mamouche, joining Manchester City from Eintracht Frankfurt. Mamouche's versatility, able to play anywhere across the front line, has given Pep Guardiola a new tactical option. His relentless work rate and attacking intelligence have seen him fit right into the City's fluid system. With injuries to key forwards, Mamouche has stepped up and delivered, contributing to goals in all competition. This could be one of the most underrated signings of this season. Topping our list is Nico Gonzalez, who moved from Porto to Manchester City. The Spanish midfielder has added steel and sophistication to City's midfield. Guardiola has used him as a deep-lying playmaker and occasionally in a box-to-box role. He has been an incredible piece of business for the club. And there you have it, our top 10 signings of the January transfer 2025. From future stars to tactical game changers, these players are already shaping the second half of the season in their own way. But we want to hear from you. Who do you think was the best signing of the window? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Until we'll catch you in the next one.